Hello, how's it going? Today I just wanted to do an update for the radio. As you can see, there is a 8-pin connector right here that was not plugged in. So if you look at the back of the head unit, it's kind of hard to see here. There we go. So you can see that there's a gap. That's where your 8-pin needs to go. We're gonna plug that in, then try the steering wheel controls. Alright, now I'm gonna start up the car and we'll test it out. Basically, that was the canbus setting. I was not getting any type of reading, so when plugging in the wires, it should have fixed that issue. It looks as if I'll get my radio going here. I'll go ahead and turn this down. Let that all load up. One thing I really do like is how quick the phone actually connects to that unit. So let's go to our settings here. Car settings. What I'm gonna do is just double check the factory 000000. I'm gonna go to the car type, simple soft, Subaru, Impreza, and 1519 Impreza. Alright. Go back to general. Go to SWC type. Click learning. Click SWC service interface. It says don't press any key in the steering wheel. Click OK to start calibration. Press OK. Alright, so in doing this, that's basically how you would bind the steering wheel. I'll show you again here. You simply select whatever you're doing. For example, answer, press OK, then press answer on your steering wheel. That would bind it. Now, I got curious of why it wasn't working. Basically, just press back and look, steering wheel functions are going. So I have all that. Press back on this, takes me back. Simply to Starlink, go to say the Pandora and press back, and it's showing highlighted and got the mute. Yeah, so I'm pressing back, it looked like it was trying to go back to its actual just menu setting. Let's see, just in Pandora, if I press back, okay, you see it brought up my list. I can use, the steering wheel here, still on here. Can maybe play with it a little bit more, try to get everything all set up here, but it's all working perfect here. So I just wanted to thank everyone who's helping me with getting that figured out. Wasn't a big deal, but was just kind of a pain whenever you're used to using the steering wheel and wasn't working. So now with it all going, we are set. As always, happy driving and enjoy.